guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing really well. Today I've got an IKEA haul which I'll get into in a minute. Now I just want to sort of come on here and say I'm so sorry about not uploading for the last few days. I've been so tired, it's unbelievable. Obviously with what kept going on between Skylar, them working 12-hour days, sorting squirrels out, you know, Onyx at vets and everything else, it just sort of caught up with me. And I know it sounds silly, I felt like I was a zombie putting content out, and it shouldn't get like that, which is why I did take the couple of days off. Obviously you'd have seen last night on my community post that we went to Cadbury's World yesterday, so I do have some bits and bobs from Cadbury's World. I am so sorry about the fact that you've had to sort of wait randomly rather than me just coming, look guys, I'm tired, you know. I did in the end, don't get me wrong, but I just sort of kept going and I kept pushing through and I kept putting. And now I'm not going to lie to you, there's been content that I've been losing because I'm that tired and I'm deleting it by accident. So for instance, when I was poorly a few weeks back, I'd done like a home bargains haul, I did another haul, and I'll be honest, I can't even remember what the hauls were about, but I know that they were deleted because they were in my iMovie, for instance, to be edited, and I just didn't have the time to edit them. And in the end, because of obviously storage space, I ended up deleting them by accident. But anyway, enough of me rambling. I just wanted to basically say to you that, you know, between life and everything else, which I know you all understand and you get, and do you know what, I'm so thankful that you all like, we get it, you know. Not everyone's like that, so I do appreciate that. Show you the bits that I've picked up from IKEA. So first up are these. So they're basically like tumbler glasses. Pockle, apparently these are called. These aren't like the small ones though, they're like the long ones. Look how nice they look. I said to Ben, I was like, do I really need any more glasses for the cupboard? He was like, not really, Abby. I was like, but look how pretty they are. So these are, the other ones you could get like a rose goldy colour and like a clear. They were £1.50 each, but these were 4 for £6. So they are £1.50 each, but you had to buy the box, if that makes sense. So they're £6 they are. I've picked up these. So these are called Bloodlum or something like that. There's me, hello. I picked up these mainly for, there you go, there's nothing in my sink, my bathroom. Now, if anyone remembers my bathroom, I brought a unit with a mirror on. Now, that ended up being knackered because I shoved it down by the sink, and when water splashed on it, it kept getting, obviously, water eroded, and I didn't realise because obviously it was just sort of stuck down the corner waiting up on the wall. Now, that unit has now long been taken to the skip, you know, but I still just want a mirror. I have 2 holes in my wall where I realised after I put the thingy up that it just naffed. So I've now got 2 holes to hold my mirror up that I haven't got. Now these, I'm pretty sure these are stick-on ones. So I'm going to put these in the 4, because there's a 4-pack in these. Yeah, 4, and then 8 of the sticky things to hold them on. So I wanted these to make sure they will stick on top of it, so I don't need a cupboard. I've got enough space for me bits and bobs anyway. I really didn't need the extra space. So I'm going to use these as a mirror in the bathroom. I mean, I suppose I could just use 2 and then like use the other ones like in my downstairs bathroom. I don't know. I should have brought 2 packs really. Oh well, we've only got the one. But these were £7 and I just thought for £7, you know, you can't really grumble, can you? You get a mirror, it saves time and space. Or is that a crack? No, I don't think it is. I picked up some of these, so these were 25p for basically some face towels. So I thought, wow, 25p, God knows how much they used to be. Well, some around the corner for 75p going, they aren't 25p, Abby, they're 75. I'm going, no, they're 25p. It's going, Abby, it says that they're 75p. I was like, 1, 75p is still a bargain, and 2, mine say 25p. I bet the one underneath said 75. yeah, 75 underneath. But yeah, so 25p for some of those. I just thought, you know, like Scal uses face cloths a lot. I mean, look at how big they are. You can even hang them up. I think they were a good idea anyway for 25p. And they're bigger than what I thought, because I thought they were like, do you know, like the square ones? But they're like a rectangle. They'd be good if like you're washing your face and stuff. I had to get this. This was £1.50. It's a milk frother. Oh, it just says product. Don't know if it's got anything else, but yeah. At £1.50, I really thought, well, when I'm making my coffees, I'll froth me own milk then, so quite cheap. Picked up this for my my laundry room, fill it with softener. So I've picked up that. They were, I think they were £2 or £3. It was £2 or £2.50, I think. And then I'd also picked up these. So these are squirty bottles. And basically at Cadbury's World, they fill up a squirty bottle with melted chocolate and then you can write your own name. So Scal wanted to do that. So she wants to melt her own chocolate and then write a name, because obviously at Cadbury's World you can't eat the chocolate anymore because it's demonstration chocolate and they just reuse it. So this way she can actually do it herself and use it. So, and then I've got these for 75p each. I've got 4 of them, so they're just picture frames. I had school photos done of Skylar like last year, and yeah, I never gave them out. I never did anything with them, so I thought probably best to start doing that really now. And that's everything I think I got from IKEA. I didn't get much at all. It was a really cheap visit to IKEA. We were looking into like getting some furniture bits and stuff, but they just weren't working for us, so we ended up leaving that. We obviously went through on the way back through from Birmingham, so obviously this is from Birmingham IKEA. We went for some meatballs, you know, and yeah, that's everything from this haul, guys. If I still look half asleep, don't I? I promise you I'm getting there. I'm going to leave this video here, guys, so I can go do my Aldi haul. But if you do like my content, guys, please press the like button, share with your friends and family, and please keep on watching. Bye!